belly crawling in there. I don't know how high it goes. I'd have to get back in there to see how high it goes at the back. There's the tree. All right. So definitely some spiders in there. I wonder if bats ever hang out there. They might. I also wonder, how high up does that, hollowed out portion go? Could it make a good shelter? If it doesn't go up so high and break through, maybe it could protect you from the rain. I don't know. I'd like to find out, but not really. I'd like to know, but I wouldn't like to find out. Okay. Here we are at the road. Let's go down this way. See, either I can go back down the road west and hop on the trail that brought me here and go back to the parking lot, or go this way east, hop on another trail and just kind of work my way up front to the parking lot, which is obviously what I plan to do because I'm heading that way. I've never been all the way down that way. Maybe someday. Maybe someday I'll check it out. It's amazing the noises you'll hear. There's a train, there's an airplane, there's geese, or ducks, I guess. I don't think there were geese, I think there were ducks. Tell you what, with the woodpecker, golly, with the airport being close by and the trains, I wouldn't be surprised if these animals are neurotic. Or, a lot of them multi-generational, so they're probably used to it. At the shelter up there. The stuff I have to do later today kind of makes me wish I went back to that same trail before that had the graffiti. Didn't think about that because I got to do some stuff over there in that area. Should have grabbed a bottle of covered up spray paint, went out there, took care of that graffiti. then do what I have to do with my errands over there. Didn't think about that. Oh well. This little fireplace. Oh, restrooms. I didn't know they had restrooms here. Probably locked. Another fireplace. Besides being locked, though, a good chance of them probably being pretty scuzzy. Water fountain. I'm guessing it's maintenance or a utility closet. What if they allow you to start fires in that fireplace with the debris off the ground? They look human. Oh goodness. Look at that, right into some marshland. Shelter might not be a good place to hang out in the summer. Oh my goodness, get eaten alive. I really want to go the other way, but I got errands to run today. If I got out here earlier like I planned, might go the other way, explore some more trails. But I'm just so tired this morning. Hit snooze for about an hour. Usually when you see me stop for a second, I'm either eyeballing something or taking a picture. That's kind of cool. It almost looks like a little Nike swish in it too. You know, if you just take out all that noise pollution, this place would be super awesome. I mean, it's really cool. It's really great anyway, but just take out the noise pollution. Just up this place so many points. No, maybe that's why they turned this place into a nature park, nature center, because nobody want to live out here. The noise pollution in the marshland. See, there we go. Yeah, now he sees me. Or she sees me, I guess. There she goes. Those airplanes. Is there 5? Oh yeah, at least 5, maybe 6 now. See? Where'd he go? There we go. See? There's some more. Some more back there. And if I was a hunter, this was in season, and this was a legal area. Oh man. That would be amazing. But I'm not much of a hunter. I should work on that. Not much of a hunter. It's definitely not in season. And this is definitely not the area to do that. There might be some areas around here, but this particular area, no thank you. Do not want to face those charges. Well, as you can see, there's cars on the other side of this pond. So that means I'm nearing the end of my journey for this morning. Thank y'all for tagging along, and I actually hope to... Sorry, I got the hiccups now. I actually hope to do a camping video soon. Got a camp out coming up here in a couple weeks. Hopefully I'll grab some footage from that, and grab some footage from that, and you know, maybe start doing more camping videos. We'll see. And there is the nature center itself. Take it easy. Oh, I just want to add that the only part of me that was cold today are my legs. Wearing these Duluth Chain Company fire hose pants, but I don't have any leggings or anything on underneath it, so that's kind of chilly there. But Got this wool blend socks on with my Zero shoes on, so my feet are fine. My head's fine with this Duluth cap. Ooh, I forgot, I thought I lost my sunglasses for a minute. They're in my pocket. And my core is just fine with this Wandering Parson hoodie plus this Duluth lumberjack jacket. Oh, I got a lot of Duluth stuff. Huh. That's weird. And yeah, I got everything done on time today. So I can hit my first errand, should I say, for the day right on time. Awesome.